Since the takeover of Afghanistan by the Taliban in mid-August, the country had faced economic problems. The situation worsened following the freezing of over $9 billion of the country's central bank assets by the United States.
که مواد اولیه را تهیه بکنیم تقریبا به یک ماه قبل 2 برابر یا 2.5 برابر بیشتر بالا رفت.
The Taliban caretaker government has repeatedly called upon the United States to unfreeze assets, with aid agencies warning of acute food shortages for more than 22 million Afghans in the coming winter. The majority of some 400,000 state employees have only received wages of 2 months since July.
15 روز است که ما میایم میریم اینجا کس بر ما وقت نمیده که ما بریم معاش خدا بگیریم. سیستم از اینجا خوب هیچ معلوم نیست. کس صدای ما را نمیشنوه.
The recent crisis has forced many Afghans to flee the country, but the Taliban officials have been trying to convince the people to stay, promising them that the challenges will be solved in near future.
افغانستان کې جنگ نشته، امنیت تأمین دی، هیڅ نوع مشکل دی، هیڅ افغان ژوند ته خطر متوجه نه دی. نور ملکونو کې د افتخار او د سرلوړۍ ژوند نشته. یوازینی ځای چې هلته زموږ حیثیت او آبرو او عزت پکې خوندي دی هغه افغانستان دی.